Today's video I have something very exciting to show you all. A bit different tech item is what I can say. These are not your regular consumer grade headphones guys. They're professional quality studio reference monitors. So thing is, content creators like us, whenever we are making content for you guys, right, we do not use regular headphones or basically wireless earphones guys. They won't work for us. We usually use something called as studio reference monitors or maybe like studio reference speakers also, which produce like natural sounding audio without any sort of EQ customizations, bass tweaking, nothing like that. We want like natural sounding audio to give you best sort of results. That is how we make content. So this is Sony's all new MDR M1, recently launched in the Indian market, and as I've told you, offer like studio quality sound and are used for like professional sort of applications. So today in this video we're gonna unbox and talk about the headphones. Now to make this video more interesting, what I've done is, so if this video crosses 500 likes, I will give this Sony's C100 wireless neckband earphones to a lucky subscriber on the channel. There's nothing you need to do. Make sure to like the video, and once we hit the 500 likes milestone, right, I'll randomly pick a lucky winner from the comment section of this video and give it to him. So what are you waiting for? Make sure to like and comment in the video. Let's quickly get started with the unboxing. So our brand new headphones from Sony came in this sort of packaging. These are professional quality wired headphones made for like studio recording or especially for like creators. Model is called as MDR M1 and came in this sort of packaging. You just have the Sony branding on the front, picture of the product as well. There's no spec details or feature highlights mentioned anywhere on the packaging, but we'll anyhow talk about the driver details once we get started with the review, right? So let me quickly grab my knife and get started with the unboxing. These headphones are available only in this black color guys, and there you go. As soon as you open it, we've got some paperwork at the top, just make sure to read that, followed by some accessories which include a 3.5mm to 3.5mm premium quality cable guys. Cable length is standard, it's around 1.2 meters, and they're also gold plated guys. I mean, look at the quality. Lastly, you're also getting a 3.5mm to 6.3mm conversion pin included guys. So basically, if you want to use these headphones for pro grade audio equipment, maybe like mixers, DACs or preamps, right, yes, you can do that. And that's it, these are all the accessories. Now let me give you like a closer look at the headphones and talk about the design, build quality and all of that. So there you go boys, here's how Sony's all new professional quality MDR M1 closed dynamic headphones look like. And initial impressions, I do have to mention, they look pretty nice, right? I mean, look at this, clean, modern and beautiful looking design. You've got the Sony branding on the ear cup, says MDR M1 model, and I really like the professional badging as well. Build quality does seem to be nice from my initial impressions. Entire body looks like is made of polycarbonate material, and yes, they also swivel like this, and the headband is also adjustable, very easily extends like this, so basically fits almost any head size guys, not an issue at all. Quality of the headband is also nice, entirely wrapped in this artificial leather sort of material, and the cushioning is also pretty nice. I mean, look at this, fluffy and very nice cushioning is what I can say. There's nothing mentioned on the other side, you just have the Sony branding, professional MDR M1 logo, and that's it. Going to the bottom side, here you will find your connectivity port. There's only one 3.5mm audio jack, and you can easily connect it to any compatible devices, maybe like your smartphones, DACs, preamplifiers, mixers, and plenty of pro grade equipment. Talking about the ear cups, you're getting soft and fluffy ear cups. I mean, look at this, very spongy and also cushiony. So that's it, our quick unboxing part. I've been using these Sony headphones for the last couple of days, so today in this video I'll be sharing you my detailed experience and feedback. I've played a variety of music tracks on it, and not just for like music, I've also used it for like creative applications and basically for like my video editing purpose. So it's gonna be very informative guys, make sure to watch it till the end. First of all, let's start off with the comfort and in-hand feel. The MDR M1 have a very ergonomic design and feels super comfortable while wearing. Two things I have to appreciate, the cushioning on the pads and also the weight. You're getting fluffy and thick cushioning on the ear cups that cover your entire ear and feel quite assuring and comforting. Not just the ear cups, you're also getting like soft cushioning on the headband as well, right? And because of this, I didn't feel any sort of stress overhead and could comfortably use them for longer periods of session. I've told you about the weight, right? Headphones feel quite comfortable and lightweight only. They hardly weigh around like 216 grams. If you ask about the noise isolation, they do a good job isolating most of the surrounding noise, but you can't compare them with ANC headphones. Again, hey, these are not your consumer grade stuff, right? They're made for professional sort of use, so keep that point in mind. So let's move on and talk about the main aspect. How's the overall audio quality and also about the drivers. The MDR M1 feature 40mm bespoke drivers and offer a frequency response range from 5 Hz to all the way up to 80 kHz and are closed dynamic type wired headphones. They're not meant for like regular consumers, guys. They're a professional pair of cans made specially for like studio purpose, creator usage, where people use them as reference monitors. I've been using these headphones for quite some time, and I have to say I was quite impressed with the overall audio quality. These are high impedance headphones, that to around 50 ohm impedance, and perform best when used with DACs, preamplifiers or professional quality mixers. You can use them on smartphones which offer 3.5mm headphone jack, but you might not get the best results you might be looking for, because most of the smartphones do not have the power to drive these high impedance 50 ohm headphones. Vocal clarity is nice, excellent amount of detail in the music. All the frequencies could be clearly distinguished without getting muddy. Great dialogue delivery. In fact, the whole sound signature had a nice warm and mellow feel to it. Talking about the treble, high frequency response also nice. It was producing silky smooth treble with minimum harshness. I felt the whole frequency response was pretty much neutral with minimum emphasis on the lower end frequencies. And coming to the bass, first of all, I've told you, right, these are not your regular grade consumer like headphones, so don't expect deep or punchy bass over here. Bass is there, but just sufficient so it doesn't overpower the other frequencies, especially the mid-range. On the overall, I'm telling you, right, especially if you're like an audiophile, you are going to enjoy listening to music on these headphones. And mostly I've been using it for like video editing purpose on my computer and basically like reference monitors, and was like quite happy with the results. The sound stage was also good considering they are closed back headphones and offer like a good sense of instrument separation and precise imaging. So to basically sum it up, right, they're a great pair of headphones, especially for like creators like me. If you're a playback singer, or maybe you work in some sort of recording studio and you're looking for a good pair of reference monitors, you can definitely go for them. One more question usually a lot of people ask is, do these headphones have like microphone basically to like answer calls when connected to your smartphone? No, as I've told you at the beginning only, guys, these are not your regular consumer grade headphones. They're professional quality headphones made specially for like studio purpose only. I believe nobody would use them for like answering calls, guys. So if you're looking for something like that, go for the consumer lineup, maybe like 1000X M4 or M5 series, something like that. Well, that is pretty much it. Our complete overview on Sony's all new professional quality MDR M1 studio reference monitors. What do you people think? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. I've told you about the pricing details, right? Headphones roughly cost around like 18,989 rupees, and I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it. If you all enjoyed watching this video and got all the information you're looking for, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.